Hello, just thought I'd talk through my mood board. This mood board is being designed for my next pocket square design, and the purpose of it is for my husband to wear to work, and he can pop it in his pocket, just like in this image here with John Hamm. I think that's John Hamm. I want the pocket square to be a little bit fun, but I also want it to be understated as well. So it's not a dominant piece that he's wearing or using. It's for every day, but I want him to feel confident in wearing it too. And I love this word assured for this. The desire of this feeling word is that he is assured when he's wearing it. He's very good at what he does, but he always underestimates his capabilities, I think. I have been very intentional with even the font and the way that this is written. It's a strong font and it's a bold font, yet it's all in lowercase, so that sort of it's confident, but it's understated as well. But you notice it, it's the center of the board. I'll be interested to hear what you're drawn to first on this board. And for me, I think it's this pink here. So that is my focal point. It'll probably be my bold color. So it will definitely be all of these colors will be part of my pocket square. And this pink will be too, but it won't dominate. It'll be blended in with everything else. He's got a nice blue jacket, a bit like this one, which he can wear it with. So I've got sort of that image in mind. And then I'm drawn to the shininess of the silk. So I'll probably use either a silk or a satin or a cotton silk. I just haven't quite worked it out yet. I've just got to think about the purpose and the everyday usability of it, and also what I can actually print on, so what fabrics are available to me to actually print on. I have got a couple of different outfits here that inspire the style and also the purpose, sort of everyday workwear. And this is very similar to what he would wear to work: a pair of chinos, a jumper, a collared shirt, and sometimes a jacket. But this is sort of his style, more so than this. But I really like these color combinations, and this plaid here sort of gives me a little bit of inspiration as to what the pattern might be, may or may not be. The flower, as I've said, that's the natural element. I think every board needs a little natural element in it. And I haven't yet decided whether the pattern is going to incorporate a floral in the pattern yet, but I kind of like what it's bringing to this board, and maybe it will. And I love these fine petals, and so that might find itself into the design as well. I'm still playing with the actual pattern, but this is inspiring my pattern, and this is inspiring my pattern. And even these little dots in this one here with a very simple border on the pocket square are also informing the pattern that I'm thinking about. And of course, I love all these colors together. And if you're familiar with my 5-color method, I love the 5-color method because it brings interest and balance into your color palette. And so I've got this bold pink, and then I've complemented it with a green, this sort of minty blue green. My husband color type is cool, and so these colors look great on him. I've got a neutral, which is a white, and then I've got a light here, which is this brown, and then the navy. That is how I've thought about putting this board together and the elements. And then I have just tried to create a little bit of balance on my board. So I've got these two 3-dimensional elements. So I've tried to create a little bit of balance with those being on the sort of opposite sides of the board. I've put my pinks on either side of the board, and then I've made sure that I've kind of got 3 of everything. So I've got 3 blues, I've got 3 pinks, I've got 3 greens, I've got 3 whites there and there and there. And so that starts to bring in a balance in the board. John Hamm's wearing sort of a bone and a navy here, and so I've created a connection with these colours with there, but then given it a pop using this pink. So I hope that has maybe given you a little bit of an idea of how to balance your board. I love 3s. If you can put 3 of something and scatter that around the board, and if you can take into consideration your depth as well. So I've got my 3-dimensionals sort of sitting opposite each other on the board. And then I've weighted my images evenly as well, to get balance as well. Okay, I hope that has helped. Share your mood boards with me and we'll have a look. Can't wait to see them. Really curious.